In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice chat with Microsoft Copilot. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can start talking to Copilot like you would with a helpful assistant. First, open Microsoft Copilot in your favorite web browser. Any modern browser will work fine. Before you start, make sure your device's microphone is enabled. The easiest way to confirm this is to check your browser's settings. Look for the settings sliders or the adjustments icon, then find the section for site permissions. There, verify that the microphone is turned on and that your browser has permission to use it. If your device has more than one microphone, make sure the correct one is selected. Also, take a moment to check your system's volume and input levels so your voice is picked up clearly. Once your microphone is ready, go back to your Copilot chat window. At the bottom right of the chat box, you'll see a small microphone icon. Click that to start voice mode. If this is your first time using voice chat, Copilot will greet you out loud and briefly explain how to speak and listen. It's designed to be friendly and straightforward, so just follow the prompt you hear. After the initial introduction, the experience becomes very natural. Copilot will greet you casually, and you can simply talk to it as you would to a person. Ask a question, explain what you need, or describe what you're working on. Speak at a normal pace and pause briefly when you finish your thought so Copilot knows you're done. It will respond to you with a spoken reply, and you'll also see the transcript on the screen in case you want to read along. A few quick tips to make the conversation smoother. Try to be in a quiet space so the microphone can focus on your voice. If you're using a headset, ensure it's selected as the input in your browser permissions. If Copilot can't hear you, revisit the permission settings in your browser's adjustments area and confirm the microphone is allowed for the Copilot site. You can also glance at your device's input indicator to see if it's detecting sound when you talk. That's all there is to it. Open Copilot in your browser, check your microphone permissions in the settings sliders or adjustments icon, click the microphone at the bottom right of the chat box, and start speaking. Copilot will talk back to you like a real person and guide you as you go. Enjoy your hands-free conversational experience with Microsoft Copilot and have fun exploring what it can do with your voice.